top 10 ways to make money as a teenager. Welcome to Cerebral Life, the channel where you learn more and improve your life. Today we are looking at the top 10 ways to make money as a teenager. Many teenagers spend money without thinking, while some never seem to have enough. This can be a real problem for some, leading them to depression. You want your independence, to buy what you want, go on dates, and not have to rely on your parents. Sure, you could get a job at Starbucks, but there are other ways to make money that will give you more flexibility and freedom. Here is our countdown of the top 10 ways to make money as a teenager. We'll start with the lower paying jobs and end with the big jobs that pay the really big bucks. Number 10, online surveys. Surveys are not a get-rich-quick scheme, but many people manage to turn idly filling out online forms into tidy sums of cash. This is a very relaxed way to make money online. It doesn't take a lot of effort and requires little to no skill. Time is all it requires, and even then, it's usually very little. If you break it down by hour, you may not match the hourly rate at some full-time jobs, but you may be able to update your wardrobe or buy some cool gadgets with this extra cash. If gadgets and clothing are your thing, some surveys will pay you in points that you can redeem at certain retailers. Some of the best places to find surveys with solid payouts are Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, Prize Rebel, and LifePoints. Number 9, blogs. Blogging can have some serious earning potential. If you're passionate about a topic or want to share your thoughts or opinions about topics such as fashion, sports, personal health, you can start a blog. It's easy and almost free to create your own blog. As your visitors increase, companies or brands may contact you to advertise on your blog. Adding Google AdSense and participating in affiliate programs that offer products or services related to your content will definitely give you some extra cash in your pocket. Number 8, Upwork and Fiverr. If you're good at things like writing, editing, videos, playing an instrument, communicating well, or a host of other skills, you can make decent money offering your services on Upwork and Fiverr. You search for jobs that match your skills and respond to projects from businesses. The rate of pay varies from job to job, but many freelancers can earn a decent hourly wage and gain repeat clients from it. Number 7, tutoring. If you have a subject in school you excel in, consider becoming a tutor. Lots of students need help with their education. They might need advice in regards to a project they have to submit or a challenging research paper that they're behind on. There are quite a number of online tutoring websites out there where you do not need to be a qualified professional to start. Most pay between $15 to $20 per hour and have weekly or monthly payouts via PayPal. Two of the recommended ones are SameSpeak and Skimitalk. So if you enjoy helping others learn, tutoring from home will be a fun way to earn. Number 6, pet sitting and dog walking. While most people enjoy walking their dogs, often they're just too busy to do it. Many people treat their pets as their children, so they have no issue shelling out some real cash for someone to take them for a walk and exercise. So, if you like dogs and have a lot of energy, this is an awesome opportunity. Companies have recently moved into this niche, creating services via websites and mobile apps. Companies like Care.com, WAG, and Rover are great places to start. They connect available dog walkers to dog owners, but don't be afraid to kickstart your own gig by advertising on your social media accounts or handing out flyers in your neighborhood. Number 5, odd jobs. Teenagers with an entrepreneurial drive will easily make money doing odd jobs, whether it's getting CPR certified and babysitting for family and friends, or running errands, car washing, landscaping, snow removal. There are kids who are earning well into the hundreds of dollars per week while studying full-time. There are even many young professionals and the elderly who cannot find the time or energy to do these odd jobs, so they are often eager to pay someone to do it for them. Let's face it, that's why many adults have full-fledged businesses. But many times, they don't have the necessary budget to hire a company, but will gladly hire a student. Number 4, transcribing and voiceovers. If you like typing or speaking, You can turn that into very solid money online. You can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour for your service. Getting started is a breeze if you have strong English skills, dependable internet connection, and a computer. Rev.com connects businesses who want to turn their audio into text with people who want to do it. Voices.com is the opposite. This is where you're paid to transform text into audio for money. Employers and businesses post opportunities, and you will submit audition recordings along with your quote. You can find work doing podcasts, radio, acting, video games, or even your favorite information YouTube channel. Voiceover actors can find work doing commercials, podcasts, video games, and radio. This is a good way for teens who are interested in broadcasting, acting, or entertainment to find part-time work while learning about the industry. Number 3, writing and selling books. These days, the internet allows anyone to bypass book publishers. The only thing that could stand in your way is the quality of book you produce. The Amazon Kindle store is the go-to platform for this. With the help of a parent or family member for things like editing and proofreading, you could make a nice recurring profit. There are stories of teenagers putting out low-content nonfiction books that still make them some passive income today. Number 2, start a social media channel. Everyone is good at something, from playing video games to an instrument to dancing or executing safe practical jokes. Whatever your talent may be, there are likely people willing to sit and watch you do your thing. Many of today's big YouTube stars started as teenagers, just wanting to have some fun, and today are making more money than both their parents combined. Money can be earned with gameplay streaming on sites like YouTube or Twitch. Many kids build a huge following by allowing others to watch them skillfully play the games as well as for their in-depth analysis and insight. The time has come for our number 1 way for teens to make money. But before we get there, we had a couple of honorable mentions that didn't quite make the list, but we thought were worth mentioning. Selling stock photos. Maybe you received a decent camera as a birthday gift? Try taking stock photos and selling them online. They don't usually make much money per sale, but remember that this is a fun hobby you can slowly develop into a skill. If you put a lot of practice into it, you can actually make some solid money. There are a number of stock photo companies that purchase photos online. Shutterstock, iStock, and Dreamstime are just some of the industry leaders when it comes to buying stock photos. Selling household items and crafts. There are a number of ways you can sell things locally and across the web. eBay, Facebook, Craigslist, Etsy, and Mercari are just a few marketplaces that many have found success on. There are a handful of not-for-profit thrift and consignment stores that pay money in exchange for used items of clothing. Gather up any designer clothing and accessories you don't use or don't like, and take them into a consignment store for some extra cash. There are some kids who even put up local ads on Craigslist to pick up old but quality clothes from people in the community, then wash them and turn them in for cash. If you are creative and like working with your hands, try making your own crafts that you can sell online. Bracelets, origami, various beaded jewelry are among some ideas that have made money. Etsy is the optimal marketplace for these kinds of merchandise. Your parents may even have items lying around in the garage taking up space. If you ask them, they may let you clean out some old junk and sell whatever you can for a profit. And now it's time for us to get to our number 1 way for teens to make money. But before we get there, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. And if you like content like this, smash that like button and comment below, and we'll continue to send you more of the same. Our number 1 way for teens to make money? Gaming. Video game testers, streamers, coaches, and developers is at the peak of our list. Gaming may be the best combination of earning potential and fun on this list. Who would have thought a decade ago that you could become a millionaire while playing video games in your room? Well, you can find thousands of gamers across Twitch and YouTube who are doing this. They increase their subscriber base by sharing insights as they play the games, which in turn generates money from viewers and ad clicks. 16-year-old Kyle Gilsdorf won $3 million at the Fortnite World Cup tournament in 2019, while everyone in the top 20 made over $100,000. The possibilities are endless. Once you find a game you're good at, you can stream, coach other players, enter tournaments, and even earn lucrative sponsorship opportunities. Just remember to check age requirements and keep parents in the loop as you search the internet for opportunities. Parents also come in handy while handling certain communications with other companies, brands, or advertising agencies. Did you like this video? Comment below if you'd like more content like this from Cerebral Life. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Cerebral Life. Learn more and improve your life. See you next time.